want to come down at all.
I'm leaving home.
What's going on, YouTube family? I am back with the boys, Brandon and Riley, and we are headed on a Buse Lake hike. There's a good lookout at the very top. Forgive me if my vlogging skills suck. I haven't vlogged in like a very long time, so this is the first one in a little while, but I hope you guys enjoy it. This is like the hike to kick off all of our summer hikes.
Summer adventures.
Riley is all done all your exams. You have one left, but it's PE, so that's like, doesn't count. Yeah, big news. Our little boy Brandon's graduating. Oh, we're so proud of him. Anyway, yeah, I'll take you along with us on this hike, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Oh God, okay. Well, this hike started with nice sloping grasslands, but now we're on quite the vertical here.
Loving it.
I hear the sounds of the season and lose all.
What a view, Lloyd Norwood.
I'm moving forward.
Okay, so we have just gotten to the top of this little hike. It honestly did not take us that long, like maybe 45 minutes max. Yeah. Yeah, on the way here, it took us a lot longer. We went up a wrong road for like good 15 minutes, but we found it. And man, we are up high. Check this out. It is crazy up here. I think we're gonna try hiking over to that little rock over there. And yeah, but it's pretty sweet up here. Just getting some photos, you know, being all cool.
The summer air by the seaside, the way it fills our lungs, the fire burns in the night sky. This life will keep us young, yeah, keep us young.
Just made it to this big tall rock structure here. On the other side, we were way over in those cliffs over there before. Again, just a small, another little hike. I'll put directions, so if any of you guys want to come here, directions will be linked down below. A cool little bench. Great views up here, just past the trees. Absolutely stunning.
Where it's just you and me.
Okay, just finished having lunch up on the mountaintop, and now I think we are headed back down. Pretty good little hike, short and sweet, but killer views.
Good start. Good start to our summer.
Big time. Okay, so we are almost done the hike. The car's just a little ways over there, but it's going to be Riley's first time ever flying the drone, so we're wishing him luck. The winds aren't too bad, so hopefully it'll be okay. So, yeah, down and together.
Alright, so my very first solo drone flight, I flew over by those houses off in the distance. And it was only sort of terrifying. The high wind velocity indicator came on, and I was scared I was about to break Lloyd's new toy that he spent a lot of money on. But in the end, we got some cool shots, and then he chased Brandon with it. So you'll probably see that clip right about here.
Just terrorized the kid. Cool. Yeah, you weren't recording. I'm kidding. You're good. Okay, and that is the end of our first little hike of the summer. We are back in Brandon's famous Santa Fe that has taken such a beating on all our little hikes. I felt like it went really well. Good start to the summer.
Oh, yeah.
How'd you like it?
Great start to the summer.
Super pumped to make some great content for you guys, so hopefully you tune in and watch it all. Brandon, do you have anything you want to say?
Welcome to 2018, boys.
Hoping this summer is going to be super awesome. I don't think we have anything big planned, but you know there's going to be big things happening. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
And the link to the hike will be down below.
I said that already.
Did you?
Yeah, I did.
Well, up.
You man. Okay, well, Brandon's back and swearing on my vlog. Great.